जय गुरुदेव एवरीवन। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, गुरु ही ब्रह्मा है, गुरु ही विष्णु है और गुरु ही भगवान शंकर है। गुरु ही साक्षात परब्रह्म है। ऐसे गुरु को मैं शत शत प्रणाम करता हूँ।
Jai Shardema children, today we are going to learn multiplication of decimal. Multiplication of decimal is same as multiplication of number. We just need to keep in mind the decimal point. Let us understand it by some examples. First, let us see 3.5 multiplied by 8. Now here 3.5 is decimal number while 8 is whole number. Now let us multiply 8. 3.5. Here we see that after decimal point there is one digit, so we write 1 here multiplied by 8. Now we have to multiply it as we are multiplying in number. 5 multiplied by 8 is 40, so 0 here, 4 here. 3 8 is 24 plus 4 is 28. So we are writing 28 here. Now this one we need to bring down, and now we have to start from here, that is our right hand side. Leave just one digit and then give a point. So the answer is 28.0. Now let us understand some other example where decimal point is there in both the number. For example, 2.56 multiplied by 4.3. Now here 2.56 is decimal number, 4.3 is also decimal number. Now let us multiply it. 2.56. Here after decimal point there is 2 digits, so we are writing 2 here, multiplied by 4.3. After decimal point there is 1 digit, so we are writing 1 here. Now we are multiplying it. First we will multiply it by 3. 6 3 is 18. 1 5 3 is 15 plus 1 16. 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7. We will give 1 0 here. Then 6 4 is 24. So we are writing 24 here. Then 2 5 4 is 20 plus 2 22. Again 2 2 4 is 8 plus 2, so 10. We are going to add it. 8 6 4 plus 4 10. 7 plus 1 8 plus 2 again 10. 0 plus 1 1 and 1. Now here we need to bring 2 after this. After decimal point 2 digit, after decimal point 1 digit. So we are going to add it. It will be 3 here, and we have to start it from right hand side. So 1 2 and 3, and decimal point will come here. So the answer will be 11.008. Now let us see, when we are multiplying directly by 10, 100 or 1000, what will be the result. For example, 5.67 multiplied by 10. When we are multiplying 5.67 by 10, we don't need to do any calculation like that. We just need to forward this point right hand side. That is, if 1 0 is there, we need to take this point one place toward the right hand side. The same way, if it is 4.397 multiplied by 100, then it will be, this point will move here there is 2 zeros, so this point will move 2 digits toward the right hand side and the answer will be 439.7. So in the same way we need to see how many zeros are here and that one digit we need to move toward the right hand side. Now let us do exercise 2.6. Question number first is from exercise 2.6. Question number first is 0.2 multiplied by 6. Now let us solve it. 0.2 multiplied by 6. As we have done it, 0.2. Here decimal point is 1 multiplied by 6. 2 6 are 12. 0 6 are 0 plus 1. It is 12. Now here 1 is there. When we carry it here, it will be 1 only. So from 2 we will start 1 and decimal point will be here. So the answer is 1.2. Now let us see question number 6. Question number 6 is 211.02 multiplied by 4. 211.02 multiplied by 4. Now here 21102 multiplied by 4. Here again we have to see that the decimal, after decimal point there is 2 digits, so we are writing 2 here. Now when we multiply it, 2 4 is 8, 0 into 4 0, 1 4 is 4, again 1 4 is 4, 2 4 is 8. When we bring it here, it will be 2 digits. So we will start it from right hand side. It will be 1 2. The decimal point will come here. Now let us see question number 2. Question number 2 is given that find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 cm and breadth is 3 cm. Here length is given. For a rectangle, length is given 5.7 cm and breadth is given 3 cm. We have to find its area. We know that area of rectangle is equal to L into B. It means here length is 5.7 cm multiplied by 3 cm. When you multiply it, 5.7 into 3, here we see that it is this after decimal point 1 digit is there. 7 3 is 21, 5 3 is 15 plus 2 17. So 1 is there. Decimal point will come before 1. So the answer is 17.1 square centimeter. So the area of rectangle is 17.1 square centimeter. Now let us see question number 3. Find 1.3 multiplied by 10. As we had discussed earlier, 1.3 multiplied by 10. Here 1 0 is there, so the decimal point will move toward right hand side. Means from here it will move toward here, and the answer is 13. Now again same way, 13.1 multiplied by 100, and so the result is 311. The decimal point will move toward 200. 2 digit this side, it will be 3110. 0.03 multiplied by 1000. Again, the decimal point will move from here. It will move 3 digits toward this one. So means 1, 2, and 3. So the result is 30. Now let us see question number 4. The two-wheeler covered a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. how much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? So, distance covered in 1 liter is equal to, distance covered in 1 liter is equal to 55.3 kilometer. Therefore, distance covered in, we have to find out distance covered in 10 liters is equal to 55.3 into 10. 55.3 multiplied by 10. Here we know that 1 0 is there. This decimal point will move towards the right hand side. So it will be 553. That is 553 kilometer. So the distance covered in 10 liter of petrol is 553 kilometer. Now let us see question number 5. Find, the first question is 2.5 multiplied by 0.3. Here we see that the decimal points are there in both the numbers. So 2.5, here the decimal point is before one number, one digit, multiplied by 0.3. Again here also after decimal point there is one digit. So here also we will write 1. Now 5 3s are 15. So 1 will come here. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. So 7 will come here. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So here the decimal point will come before 1 and 2. That is, it will come here. So the answer is 0.75. Now let us see this. 11.2. Here the decimal point, after decimal point there is one digit, multiplied by 0.15. So here again after decimal point there is two digits. Now let us multiply. 2 5 are 10. 1 5 are 1 plus 1 5 are 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 1 5 are 5. We will take 1 0 here. 2 1 are 2. 1 1 are 1. 1 1 are 1. Here it is 0, so no need to multiply. Now 1 plus 2, so we will have 3 here. We are going to add it. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 1, 6 and 1, 1. Now here we have to count 3 digits from right hand side, that is 1, 2 and 3. The point will come here, and so the answer is 1.680. The remaining sum you have to do at your home. Thank you.